Chairman, no borom yapare ini ang adi sumung emitted question number 12. TTA ADC hapango bai thangni birindia eba ke police recruitment khainani wansukmung toditum tongkhai bokro recruitment khaijaknai.
Honorable Chairman, first isi meeting wana sini tipwa ni tip edisi baithang ni India police no telangna ni bagai raja sarkar ni thani khastia hapang ni thani wo kaisa rejili chunbo hanai chithi honai hanai bi chonna laikha boniya gola chung rohlaikha chithi bu reply phaikha time mention khaidi hanai bofrni simi chalo khainai hanai chithi bu phaikha chung reply ro yak tak sujura jefro fund available nai chini bagai state government has they have fund sengno fund approval lo khainge seng apro no ADC police telangnai hanai wan chui tong